everyone. So we were talking about reproduction in human beings in the last video, where we discussed about male and female reproductive systems in human beings. Now both these systems produce different gametes. As we all know, the male reproductive system produces the male gamete, which is called as sperm, which is having head, midpiece and tail. So this is the male gamete, and female reproductive system produces the female gamete, which is called as ova. Now today we will see how these two gametes will fuse together and result into a new individual. Now, as we all know, in sexual reproduction, two parents are involved, male and female, and both of these will produce the gametes which will fuse together. So here, these two gametes, the sperm and the ova, they fuse together. Here, these are the sperms and this is the ova. As I told you in the last video, there are a number of sperms produced from the testes, but there is only one ova released from the ovary. So here, there is one ova. Even though there are many sperms, but only one sperm will enter and fuse with the female gamete. So this is how the fusion of two gametes take place. So the male gamete, the male gamete fuses with the female gamete. The sperm is fusing with the ova. And this fusion of male gamete with female gamete results into the formation of zygote. So what is happening here? The male gamete is fusing with the female gamete to form a zygote, and this process is termed as fertilization. So we can define fertilization as the fusion of male gamete with a female gamete to form a zygote. This is called as fertilization, and this happens during sexual reproduction. So what is this zygote? Zygote is actually a fertilized egg. So when egg gets fertilized by the male gamete, the sperm, we call it as zygote. Okay. So during fertilization, fusion of two gametes take place and they form the zygote. This zygote then develops into an embryo which will grow into a new individual. Now in human beings, where exactly this happens? Where is this fertilization taking place? This all takes place inside the female reproductive system. I hope you all remember different parts of the female reproductive system. Here the different parts are ovary, oviduct, the uterus, cervix and vagina. Out of all these parts, the fertilization takes place in the oviduct or the fallopian tube. So this fusion or fertilization takes place in the fallopian tube. This is the fallopian tube. So just see here what happens after this fertilization. What will happen? See, this is the ovary. From the ovary, the ova is released. You can see here also. So from the ovary, the ova is released. Now this ova is fertilized by the male gamete. Okay. So here is the fusion of male and female gamete taking place, and this is called as fertilization. So once the fertilization has taken place, it will form the zygote. And where is it happening? It is happening in the fallopian tube, or we also call it as oviduct. So fertilization in human beings takes place in oviduct. So once it is fertilized, it forms zygote. This zygote, once zygote is formed, then it starts growing. it starts dividing and increasing the number of cells. So slowly and slowly this zygote keeps on moving in the oviduct, and at the same time it is dividing rapidly, and finally it takes place, it results into an embryo. It forms embryo. Okay, so it is traveling through the oviduct and slowly increasing in size, and the number of cells are increasing, and finally by the time it reaches the uterus, the zygote has turned into an embryo, and this embryo then gets attached to the wall of the uterus. So, and this attachment of embryo to the uterus wall is called as implantation. Okay, so once again see, ova is released from the ovary, it is fertilized by the sperms, it results into zygote, zygote grows and slowly changes into embryo. This embryo, on reaching the uterus, it gets stuck to the wall of the uterus, which we call as implantation. Now after it gets stuck to the uterus wall, then what happens? Here you can see the embryo is attached to the uterus wall, and this happens with the help of a tissue called as placenta. So there is a tissue, special tissue present in the uterus wall called as placenta, to which this embryo gets attached. And from the placenta, all the required nutrients, oxygen, everything is passed from mother's blood to this growing embryo. And once this embryo starts getting all the nutrients and oxygen for its growth, it starts growing and developing different body parts. And once it starts showing the presence of all these body parts, this embryo at this stage is called as fetus. Okay, so it is nothing but the same embryo, the embryo which is showing the presence of different body parts like head, heart and limbs and all. Slowly they start growing week after week, and then at this stage the embryo is called as fetus. So this fetus keeps on growing and growing as it is getting all the nutrients from the mother's blood, and finally after about 9 months, when this is completely grown into a baby, this baby is then pushed out of the uterus through the vagina, and this is how a new individual is born from a mother's body. So you can say that the uterus is very important part of female reproductive system, where the growth of the baby is taking place, and once fully grown, the baby is removed out of the female's body through vagina. Okay, that's all for today, children. Thank you.